That cloud there did look like a hitchhiking monster. Before that, it looked like power to the people, like an angry fist raising in the air. But now it's kind of a, I don't know what it is. Oh, and we're at the tail end of our live shot here at the Platte County Jail. Not much of a building to look at. Now we're getting ready to pack up and go, and weather has rolled in. And they're predicting flooding and severe weather and all sorts of good stuff today. And look at that old building. It looks like Civil War era. I think it might be a bed and breakfast. I don't know, kind of across from all the government buildings in the jail. So let's do an impromptu little driving tour of downtown Platte City. It's a good time to live stream since we're done a little early. Yeah, we were doing a story about the jail doesn't have a way for inmates who get released to go back to their homes, so the nearest bus stop is like over 3 hours away by foot. So they're getting a van to accommodate that need. And this is downtown Platte City, Missouri. The county courthouse is over to my right. We're at the coffee house situation downtown is come to be. Like a winery or brewery. Combine winery and brewery instead of barnery. Music, theater, art. All decked out for the 4th. Yeah. Operating on 0 sleep almost. Well, I overslept this morning, but all that stuff that I had to do yesterday with the dog and the kids come. I got to the end of it and I'm like really grouchy, and I'm like, why am I so grouchy? And then I was like, oh, I didn't get any sleep. I went to bed 9:45 when I have to get up at midnight, so that's 0 sleep. Wine. That looks like a church. Yep, First Baptist. And that's a Second Empire. Beautiful, actually. Platte County Museum, Ben Farrell Platte County Museum. Huh. And there's the county courthouse. Very humid out. The Missouri River is supposed to start flooding around here. beautiful house. A lot of really beautiful old houses here. Victorian era. So yeah, that flooding is becoming top of mind. This is the actual main route through town, 92, which sucks because the bridge has been taken out, the overpass, and now it's really going to be pretty harmful to a lot of the businesses down here. Speaking of which, I wonder where my New Orleans coffee house is. It's a coffee house up here that's actually a chain out of New Orleans, and they let you know when you go in there. It's very New Orleans. But are they still around? They were the last time I passed through here. My wife had to take a test for work, and I waited her out at this coffee house up here. But yep, there it is. PJ's Coffee. We went to the one in Bay St. Louis when we visited there. That's in Mississippi. PJ's Coffee of New Orleans. That's what lets you know that it's from New Orleans. Alright. I'm sure that wind is really helping with the audio. So I wonder where my detour is. Work zone, no phone zone. Follow detour. And as I say, detour means we're going to take you on detour of the area. The detour may actually go north and then south. South, right lane only. Follow detour. Nope. That's not what they meant by south. Not yet. Next intersection. I don't have any good maps to show me. The road construction detours sure haven't changed the timing of the lights. There's actually no detour. We still go south as always. The detour is if you want to go north. Or, I guess, east. Anyway, let's end this foolishness. So I've checked out the drone from work. It's really not a drone, it's a hover air. So you don't need an FAA license to operate it professionally. And I'm narrating this because for whatever reason, my first try, I haven't figured out how to get the sound to work. I think I plugged in a mic when I shouldn't have. Anyway, so yep, here it is, me trying it, and you know where I'm going to next. Oh, and I had to figure out how to get it to stop. Apparently you hold your hand out and it lands on your hand, but I didn't quite know how to do that, and I was trying to figure out if there was a way to do it on my phone. Now for some technology I actually understand, my good old Osmo, and it's time to get some vittles. Like it's flying. it's right here.
Oh my God. Oh, geez. I hate roaring and somebody goes.